Mary Ann's Little People Daycare, located in Jasper, is very proud to be a Level 3 provider in Pass Equality. This is Mary Ann, owner, installing a sign to inform the community of their achievement. What would you like to share with families in the community about your program?
I would like to let everybody know I've been a daycare provider in the Jasper community for the past 35 years. I have children from newborn to age 8 enrolled in my care, and in 2006 I worked to accomplish becoming an accredited provider.
How do you feel about the attainment of a Level 3 in Pass Equality?
I feel that is something that is very useful. The training was somewhat difficult for me after being out of high school for so many years, but now that I've got it past me and beyond, I am thankful that I have this training because I am able to touch on many areas to help the children in my care.
What differences has your involvement with Pass Equality made for the children in your care?
I feel that I have a lot more to offer because I try to touch on different areas each day, such as music, math, science, literacy, so on and so forth.
What would you like families to know about Pass Equality?
I feel that it is something that has made me become a better provider through the trainings I have received.